What's up, gang? Today I wanted to try something new. We'll talk about something new. So, if you saw the thumbnail, we're gonna be talking about my chops. Okay. I love teeth. I really should have been a dentist. That's how much I love teeth. I love how they look. I love how they can, like a person's smile can just change your day. You know what I mean? If you love teeth, then you know what I mean. So I'm gonna kind of quickly explain my journey with my teeth, uh, and how it all started. I'm gonna try to make this as short as possible. So when I was younger, I always wanted my teeth fixed. Like I had lots of gaps and spaces that were crooked. Had an overbite. I sucked my tongue, and I used to suck my thumb. Um, and it messed my teeth up. You guys know how that is. So I asked my mom, like, oh, I want braces. When I got about like 10 or 11, I started asking for braces, and it never happened. So when I got a little older, I was like, I think I was like 16 or something. I tried to go get my own braces, and didn't happen. So I said, you know what? Okay, I kind of gave up on braces and getting my teeth fixed, even though they bother me so much. But when you're young, you can't really do anything on your own. You have to wait for your parents to do it, right? So I was like, at that point, when I get older, I don't care how old I am, I'm gonna get braces. I'm gonna get my teeth fixed because that's what I want to do. So I ended up getting braces when I was like 28, and I had them on for like 2 years. Okay, so I got my braces, and they were great. I loved how they looked. I loved how they made my smile. I had a great experience with braces. Okay, fast forward to the year that I was supposed to get them taken off. Instead of me going to the orthodontist and getting them taken off, I took them off with pliers. My teeth went back to how they were. They started to spread back out, and they were just, to me, in my eyes, I was like, oh my God, they're hideous. I hate them again. I just don't like them anymore. So I was like, well, okay, I'm gonna go get veneers. Everybody knows it's the big thing now, veneers. I was like, okay, do I wanna, I was indecisive about it because I'm like, do I want to get my teeth shaved down for new teeth? Like, how's it gonna work in the long run? So I was like, just on the fence about getting veneers or resin, because I was gonna go to Miami and get resin over my real teeth, but I'm like, that didn't make sense to me either, because I really like my real teeth. They just, there's things that I wanted to fix, like them being wider, them being larger. That's it. Um, but then I see a lot of videos with so many mistakes and all that stuff, and it just makes me not want to do it. So I was like, you know what? Let me try these. Yeah, if you don't know, these are not mine. They look pretty good, right? They look really good. So I was like, instead of getting real veneers, I'll try to see what it's like to wear something like veneers. These are no good. Like, let me tell you, I got these from Shiny Small Veneers. They were like $500. The first ones were really, really huge. I have two pairs. These right here were so freaking huge. Like, I mean, you can't tell when you look at them, but they were really, really big. Or maybe the ones that I have in my mouth are the ones that are really big. I don't know. So now, I'm like, I don't want to wear these. I don't want to use these anymore because, first of all, you can't eat in them. Second of all, you have to take these off. The off and on of it just throws me off. I didn't know that you were going to have to take them off and on and all this stuff. But I don't like that. And I don't like the fact that it makes me feel some type of insecurity. On pictures, it's wow, it's perfect. Like, these teeth are great for pictures, but in real life, when you're talking to somebody, it's always like, because you think that they're gonna fall. I think they're gonna fall out. It just feels weird, and I just never really got the like comfortable with them. I never got comfortable with them, so yeah. And that's that on that. Here they go. Okay. She's back. So yeah. This video was just kind of like, just to tell everybody, do what you want to do. to get veneers, get them. Whatever. Veneers are quicker, I think, but I'm just not dealing with the maintenance of it. It's a no for me. And yeah, because the upkeep I just feel like would be so much more expensive than actually getting the veneers. And that I just kept thinking about it, kept thinking about it. I'm like, yeah, I can get them on. Then you gotta think longevity. Like in the future, will I have chipped teeth? Will they I have to go get them? Because you have to actually go back, I think, once a month, if I'm not mistaken. You guys can do your own research. But I just was like, I know that I'm not going to be able to keep up the maintenance. I have a lot of best friends that I take care of, okay? And right now, me and two of my best friends have on braces. Um, so that's pretty pricey to do that. And then one of my best friends, they're out of the they're out of their braces, but they're of course now wearing retainers and have wires. And the teeth are beautiful. So yeah, I hope that this video gives somebody out there a little bit of encouragement, a little push. Like if you were thinking about going to do it, do it. You know what I mean? Like I hope this gives you a push. I hope this motivates you to be like, oh, look at her old ass. she went got her braces back on. So if you hear and you stay to the end, you already know you are real, huh? You are real, man. Anyway, I love y'all.